Here's a really quick video on how you can get around the parking brake sensor error when you're trying to play a DVD on your Pioneer deck. I have model AVH P4000 DVD. So it's looking for the parking brake sensor to come on so that it'll allow you to watch a movie. The way around that, if you want a simpler way, is to hook up a toggle switch. So as you know, if you try to put in a DVD and you don't have the parking brake set, or you don't have the parking brake sensor hooked up, you're going to get an error. It doesn't want you to watch a movie while you're driving down the street, which makes perfect sense. So it says right here it's not going to let you watch a movie. So you're going to want to find a light green wire coming off the back of your DVD player. I'll put a schematic at the end of the video. So you're going to have one wire coming off the light green one, and you're going to have a second wire coming off your ground. Now I use the exact same ground as I did for the entire deck. So you've got two wires coming out the back into your dash somewhere. Now I just hooked up this toggle switch here. One of these wires is my light green wire, and one of these wires is my ground. It's a 3-prong toggle switch, and I have the wires on the two outside posts. I don't have anything on the inside post. So when I turn the switch, I'm going to get this screen right here, and you simply click on OK, and now we're into our video. I'll hit English, and our video is playing. So that's all there's to it. The light green wire and the ground wire on a toggle switch. And like I said, I'll put up a schematic in just a second. Here's the wiring schematic for the Pioneer deck. I know it's kind of tiny, but I'll explain everything. So on the back, you've probably already hooked it up, but just as a refresher, so the yellow goes to your 12-volt battery. The red goes to your on-off ignition, so when you turn the key on, the power comes on, and the black goes to your ground. Now if you look over here, you'll see the light green wire, and they've got it going to the parking brake. So that wire there, the light green wire, goes to one of the posts on your toggle switch, and the black that you used for your ground goes to the other post on your toggle switch. When you turn those two on, in other words, when this gets grounded, you'll be able to watch a DVD on your Pioneer deck. Good luck!